Ethics here in Southwestern Ontario on a beautiful February 22nd, Lifeline broadcast. Unthankful. Always have to be thankful. The little things that you get, you have to appreciate. An unthankful person doesn't do that. They think about themselves. They're selfish. Remember to be thankful because you never know what may occur the next day. Tomorrow will be here. You might not be. Remember, life is precious. Handle it with morality. Roll.